Yo, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Schuyler Reacts. Today we got some rally car racing content, some crashes, action, and some raw sound. All right, so we got some. What is it? Lativa, on 2024. My bad if I'm saying it wrong. Yeah. So this time I'm gonna do it a little bit different. I think I'm gonna go full screen and bam, bro, the best editor on YouTube, bro. You gotta subscribe, bro. You gotta subscribe. All right. Yeah, that's enough talking. Let's get right into it, and yeah, let's get it. Bro, off the rip. Damn.
300 mètres, c'est la passe et 180 mètres. 180 mètres
Damn,
derrière.
he's cutting the grass. Okay.
180 mètres derrière.
Damn. He came in a little hot there. Damn. Bro, nothing, maybe like a supercharger whine, like maybe like the Hellcats, but that twin turbo sound, oh, that whistle, bro, you gotta love it. You gotta love it. It's like a bird. Oh, alright, he good. Damn. Oh, bro, I thought he saved it for a second. Bro, the ball's gotta have to actually continue the race like nothing happened. Bro, you nearly just died and you just continue like nothing happened, bro. Props to you, bro. Ooh. Bro, this guy has the best view. This guy over here on the side, he has the best view. Dangerous, but best view.
70 mètres, droite 130, plus 1000 qui ouvre pour l'arrache.
Oh my god. He saved it. He saved it. Bro, you saw that car ripping through the gears? Oh my god. Oh, it's the same car, different POV. Damn, that looks so sick. Bro, that looks like a video game. The bird's eye view from the helicopter.
Et ouvre pour Longtard, à derrière. 130 mètres.
Bro, how the driver is so calm? He just there. Like he's driving in the morning, like he's going to the office or something. Like, you know, with the little Starbucks in his hand, driving to, like, what the hell? Why is he so composed?
Et ouvre pour Longtard, à derrière. 130 mètres. Droite à fond, panneau, 80 mètres, droite 140 plus.
What was that, an obstacle? Damn. Bro, I just love deliveries on cars, like all like the different stickers and sponsors. Bro, I love to see that. I don't know why, but it looks so cool. It looks better than just having like a car with just like a plain color, like having like different stickers and logos and stuff. I don't know why, but it looks cool. What? Nah, this is bro, this is real? Bro, this look like one of those like movie shots, you know, like the zombies and shit, like Army of the Dead or like the like the Las Vegas movie type shit. What the hell? This is like what is it? World War Z? That jump though. Ooh. Bro, they just be sliding every single corner. Down. Bro, bro, this you can't tell me this is not like a what do you call it? Like one of those like in game like what is it? Cinema like scene whatever. I know there's a term for it, but I can't remember. But yeah, this look like one of those. Like like the trailers for the movie or something about to happen. Like yeah. I don't even look real. That's a sick looking car. That Ford. Red Bull always killed it on their design, the deliveries. Damn, he just sliding on it. Yeah, a little BMW in action. Damn. With the control. I thought he was going a little too fast for a second, but I guess not. You see that angry goat? Bro, that shot is crazy. Sliding. I want to learn how to do that so bad. Just sliding around corners. Oh my god. Insane. Ooh. You tell you dodge those barrels? Sick. Oh shit. Came out of nowhere. Damn, you hear the sound of that? Bro, these rally cars be taking a beating, bro. Like every race, practice run, all that. car just whistling to you. Damn. Bro, just watching on camera, right? You don't understand how fast they're going around these corners. Usually in a normal car, like on a normal road, like a normal civilian, like he will slow down and take the corner easy. No, they're blasting through these corners. And these are not like paved roads, these are dirt roads. These are, yes, your car can slip under you at any moment, and you have to know what you're doing in order to self correct and all that, so you don't oversteer and understeer and all that extra stuff, bro. It's insane. Camera does not do it justice. The sound of the cars, watching on video, does not do it justice. It's like the first time I heard a SVJ, like a Lamborghini SVJ with an F1 exhaust system, I heard it on YouTube, right? And then when it was 2 years, like a year, 2 years ago, I went to Vegas, bro. I heard a SVJ with a F1 exhaust, bro. You feel it in your body, in your chest, in your stomach when that shit revs. All right, so I know this shit is not doing it justice on camera. Damn, just sliding away. Celebration. Damn. But anyway, that's it for this reaction. I hope you guys enjoy. As always, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think about this video, and I'll see you for the next one.